Good day, guys. Today I will show you how to use this only working generator in the whole internet to make your resources unlimited. As you can see, guys, I have almost nothing, but just keep on watching and I will show you how I got my unlimited resources. Go to our website that I'm showing in this video. First, enter your username. Second, enter the amount of resources that you would like to receive and tap Generate. At this moment of time, you can simply relax and wait for the generator to process your request. After the generator finished, you'll be asked to do some simple verification tasks for us to avoid bots in our generator. For example, to download 2 games or apps and play for 30 seconds, or just complete the offer, which is very easy and fun to do. So let me do this and I will show it to you. Open and play both games for 30 seconds each, or just complete the offer that's been given to you for you to receive your free resources. Once you've done doing the verification, you can now open your games and you can see that your resources has been added automatically into your account. Here's mine. Thank you guys for watching. Please share, like, and subscribe to my channel. Enjoy!